this is Sharifa Just Nailed It, and we are here today with Mask Monday. I'm going to attempt. This is a hydro gel mask. I don't have good luck with them, but I'm going to try this one again, or try this one. It's a partial mask. Lavender, which is going to be divine. It's a sleep mask, but it's a facial mask. So I got that, and I ordered some of these Michael Myers masks. Come in a variety of colors. Sorry for all the noise. Whoops. Whoopsie. Let's see here. I know we got black, white, clear, and they got a blue. I should do the pink. I'll do the pink. Fix these now because I want to save them. I offered Jonna one, but she didn't want one since she already had one. So, if there's any ladies out there that do the masks and you would like a Michael Myers mask, get a hold of me. I can share. I feel like I forgot a bag. Oh, I did. Oh, wow. So, we're going to do that. We're going to open our mask. And if I remember, these kind are extremely wet. Shoot, yep, it just poured out all over my desk. Good Lord. Bounty, the quicker picker-upper. I just kind of, guess I plugged Bounty. Didn't mean to, but whatever. Whatever. Oh, it's purple. My favorite color. The colors are purple, pink, and black. I like this. I like this. Let's hope it stays in place. Oh, I can't see. Oh yeah, I look like Batman's sister. I look like Batman's sister. So we're going to take Michael Myers' sister. We got to come up with her a name. We got to come up with a female name for Michael Myers' sister's mask. What should it be? What should it be? Oh, oh, this is tight. Good God bless America. Be a brand spanking new. But this is the pink. Oh my God, I gotta stretch these out. Yeah, oh, yeah, it's tight. Shoot, Batman. Okay, so we're going to wear this for... Oh, these are gonna come off. I can feel it now. I can't see what this on to read this. I thought it said 10 minutes. Maybe 15. Either way, that's going to be our our thing for today. We are 4.5 minutes in. As far as filming, not the mask. So I guess I'm going to be back. Smoke 'em if you got 'em. Hello, we are back. I still got it on. It has been like a good 15 minutes, I think, or almost. So don't forget, the one I'm trying out this week is this mask here. Most likely from the Dollar Tree. I think that's where I got. I just bought a bunch more too. Some avocado, a honey, an orange. This one is lavender. Woo! Not a lot of dew left on it. It was very dewy. Very dewy. I like that. I did take, we're going to call it Melissa Myers. How's that for Michael's sister? Melissa Myers. I took her off early because I had to stretch it out. So, I really like it. I give my lavender mask 2 thumbs up. I enjoyed it. I didn't find a smell from it really. Of course, I'm not really sure what lavender smells like, but I like how I like how my area feels, my upper facial area. I enjoyed it. So I have to put Melissa away for another time. This is the end. We will see you next week where I'm going to be doing an Aveeno hand mask. I bought this before I started doing them, before I started doing Mask Mondays, and I really want to try this out. It's an Aveeno Repairing CICA hand mask, probiotic oat and shea butter. It's going to smell so good. So that'll be my findings for next week. Well, leave me a comment down below if you've tried that mask, the lavender. Let me know what you think. Would you try it? If you haven't already, let me know. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of any future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.